Why do so many Americans earn good money, yet still feel broke at the end of every month? The answer usually isn't their salary. It's a handful of money habits that quietly steal their wealth year after year. The scary part? Most people don't even realize they're making these mistakes. Today, let's break down the 7 habits that keep millions of Americans financially stuck and how you can avoid them. Habit number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. This isn't just a low-income problem. Many people earning 6-figure salaries still have nothing left at the end of the month because every dollar is already spoken for. When your paycheck disappears as fast as it arrives, a flat tire, medical bill, or job loss can quickly become a financial emergency. Wealth starts when you tell your money where to go before it disappears. Habit number 2, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, so you upgrade your lifestyle. A nicer apartment, a newer car, more subscriptions, better vacations. Before long, you're earning more than ever, but your bank account hasn't grown at all. Higher income doesn't automatically create wealth. Keeping part of every raise does. Habit number 3, high-interest credit card debt. Credit cards aren't the problem. Expensive debt is. Carrying a balance month after month can mean paying significant interest while making very little progress. Minimum payments may feel manageable today, but they can keep debt around for years. Paying more than the minimum whenever possible helps reduce both interest costs and payoff time. Habit number 4, no emergency fund. Life doesn't send a warning before something goes wrong. Cars break down, jobs change, medical expenses happen. Without emergency savings, many people rely on expensive debt just to survive unexpected situations. Even building your first $1,000 emergency fund can create breathing room and help you avoid turning every emergency into a financial setback. Habit number 5, waiting too long to invest. Many people believe they need thousands of dollars before they can start investing. In reality, time is often more valuable than the amount you invest. Starting early gives compound growth more years to work. Waiting for perfect conditions usually costs more than starting small today. Now, habit number 6, ignoring retirement benefits. If your employer offers a retirement plan with matching contributions, you may be walking away from part of your compensation by not participating. Understanding how retirement accounts work early in your career can make a meaningful difference over the long term. Habit number 7, buying liabilities instead of assets. Many purchases lose value almost immediately. Assets, on the other hand, have the potential to grow in value or generate income over time, although returns are never guaranteed. Wealth is often built by slowly owning more things that work for you, instead of constantly buying things that cost you more money. Here's the truth. Extreme wealth is rarely the direct result of possessing the highest salary. They became wealthy because they consistently made better financial decisions than the average person. Your future isn't decided by one big money move. It's shaped by the small choices you repeat every single month. And remember, the opportunity to change your financial habits begins today. Follow CapLynx Finance for smarter money decisions.